Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you how to install DeepSeek on your local machine or on your computer. In order to make a LLM model to work on your local machine, you need to install software that can download and operate LLM model. The software that we are going to use today is LM Studio. This software comes with GUI. It was designed to help a beginner to run LLM on local machine easily, and you don't have to worry about using any command line. There are multiple options over here. If you use Windows, just go to Download LM Studio for Windows. The file size is about 455 megabytes, and the downloads will take for a while, depend on how fast your internet is. After the download is done, the files will automatically open. And if it doesn't open automatically, you just go to the download and then open the folder. Here's the files. You just double click on the installation files. I'm going to pick the one only for me. You can choose any one, but in this case, I will choose only for me. Click next. The speed required for this installation is about 1.3 gigabyte. Click on install and click on finish. Let me hide all unnecessary window. And then the LM Studio will automatically open. Or if it doesn't open, you just click on the icon on desktop. Here is the software. Get your first LLM. And it asks you to download your first local LLM. You can skip this process if you don't want to download DeepSeek. Let's skip it. And let me teach you how to download a LLM model from the downloads panel directly. Let's click on Discover over here to download a model. Over here, there are multiple models over here. For example, DeepSeek R1 Distill, Llama, and this one DeepSeek R1 Distill Coin. I'm going to download this one. The size of this model is about 4.68 gigabyte. You can use this text box to search for DeepSeek models. Here, there are multiple models over here. For example, this one for code and this one for math. Let's download this model. So just click on download over here. Because the files is pretty large, so it's gonna take a long time to download these files, but you only need to download it once. And if you want to learn more about this model, you just go to model card over here and click on open in browser. Here is the detail about the model on Hugging Face. In this section, it will show you the files and the version. And this is the community section. You can click on LM Studio community over here. It will show all models that's available on LM Studio. Let's go back to LM Studio. Okay, and after the download is done, you can click on load model over here. And it will load model to the UI here. And you can switch between the model over here. Currently, we choose this one and we can remove it by click on this one. And you can click on it again to load model. So you only download it one time. If it's have on your computer, you don't have to download it again. If you remove it or eject it and load it again, click on over here. You can adjust context length, GPU, offload, and many things over here. But let's put it on default and load it again. In the future, if you have multiple models, you just remember that you can switch it over here. If you want to rename chat, you can rename it over here. Let me name it Chat with DeepSeek. And let me type something over here. Hello, DeepSeek. And hit enter, and then it's answer me, hello, how can I assist you today? I want to learn how to code in HTML. Okay, and then it start thinking. See, the UI is quite useful. So how fast is the thinking depend on your computer, and it will give me a code over here. See, you can save a lot of money by running LLM on your local machine. And then if you want to download another model, let's go to here. And let me download another model. For example, I'm going to download this one for Meta. It's a tiny one. It's only 1 gigabyte. Let me download it. Okay, after the download is done, for example, if you want to load this Meta model, you just click on load model over here. For example, if you go back to chat with DeepSeek, you have to click on load DeepSeek model again, or you can just use the current model, which is Llama over here. So the current model will show over here all the time. So make sure you use the right model. When you want to use DeepSeek, just switch to DeepSeek. When you want to use other model, just switch to other model. Currently we're using Meta model. Let me check it's over here. Hello, who are you? So I get the message back. It say that it's known as Llama, stand for Large Language Model Meta AI. Okay, this is all about this tutorial. If you like this video, comment, like, subscribe.